Hey guys, welcome to the final episode of the 2023 Weight Loss Challenge. This is a 10-minute HIIT workout video that's gonna work your whole body. So if you're enjoying my workout videos, please hit the like button and let's get into the workout. We've got 14 exercises in this 10-minute workout, 30 to 40 seconds on and 5 to 20 seconds of rest in between. If you need a daily schedule for this 4-week program, find it on chloeting.com. We're starting the workout with high knee toe tap. Let's start with some high knees. Raise your knees up high, hips level, tapping on your knees as they come up. Once you are coordinated, we are going to add in some toe taps by tapping on your feet. Remember to go at your own pace, stay safe, and follow the low impact if you prefer not to jump. Great work guys, 10 seconds rest here, squat ankle tap is next. Start by squatting down low, feet shoulder width apart, and as you come up, tap your foot with the opposite hand. Then back down into the squat and repeat. Make sure you're squatting down low enough. Rest up, knee pull up is coming up. Start with your arms extended with your left leg behind you. Pull your arms down as you lift your knee. Remember to engage your core here and add in a jump after every other rep. Ten seconds rest again and we'll have lunge twist. Start with a deep lunge followed by a twist, then come back up and repeat on the other side. Short 5 seconds rest now and we're going to do knee pull-up jumps on the other side. Just like before, arms extended, right leg behind you, pull your arms down as you lift your knee and add a jump after every other knee pull. This is getting intense guys, but keep pushing yourself. We'll have a longer rest after the next 2 exercises. Great work guys, 10 seconds rest now and we're going to do some forward squat jumps. Start at the end of the mat in a quarter squat, then jump forward into a squat, jog backwards and repeat. For low impact, you can leave out the jumps and stick with squats. Nice work everyone, catch your breath now and cross jacks is coming up. We're starting off nice and slow. With your arms spread out, bring your arms and feet back in and out as alternate your feet tapping off to the side. Once you are coordinated, let's pick up the pace and jumps as you cross your feet. Great work everyone, we're about halfway through the workout. 20 seconds rest now. Burpees tuck jump is next, so feel free to pause the video if you need a longer recovery. While standing upright, get into a high plank, jump both feet in, and then jump upwards, completing a burpee. And next, we are going to add a tuck jump when you jump upwards. For low impact, just stick with slow burpees. Remember, it's totally fine to go nice and slow and progress over time. The goal is just to complete the workout. Great work everyone, rest up, stepping jacks is next. Raise your arms up as you tap your feet off to the side one at a time. If you still want to keep the intensity up, you can always do some jumping jacks instead. Ten seconds rest now and crisscross squat is next. Start by doing a squat, make sure your feet are shoulder width apart, then as you come up, jump and cross your feet. Then jump back into a squat and repeat. For low impact, just do some lateral squats. Short 5 seconds rest now and we've got shuffle jacks. Shuffle laterally to one side, then do jumping jacks. Then shuffle back to the other side and repeat. For low impact, just go at a slower pace. Just 3 more exercises to go, so don't give up, we're almost done. Ten seconds rest now and lunge slam is coming up. Start with one leg behind you, arms extended, do a lunge while bringing your arms down, then repeat on the other side. You're bringing your arms down with a bit of force, you should be engaging and feeling it in your core too. Rest up, lateral high knee is next, and we're almost done guys. Lift your knees up one at a time and jog laterally. Make sure you stay safe, especially if you have an uneven flooring or if you're using a soft mat. For low impact, just do some slow high knees. Great work guys, rest up, and the last exercise is lateral lunges. Take a step to the right and lunge, then push through your foot to get back up to the original position and then repeat on the other leg. And that's the workout, guys. Great job on completing the workout. Drop me a comment down below if you completed the workout and let me know if you're following the program. Smash that like button for me and I'll see you guys in the next workout. Bye!